Hello friends, how do you hope you are fine? So in this video I will show you how you can declare a variable in C and assign a value to it. So first of all I declare an integer type variable, like I name it as val and assign a value to it 5. So using int we declare a variable type integer. So what will this statement do? So I will show you by some painting. This is the memory view. I create a temporary memory, like this is our memory in our RAM. So what this statement will do, it will declare a space for us. So it will declare a space for us like at this address. So this is the address like 0x01. So I'll tell you what actually happened when we declare a variable. So this is the memory addresses. So when we declare a val, so val will be here, val will be pointing to this address. You can see a val will be pointed to this memory address. At this memory address we have to store some data. By default when we can't initialize any data, like if we declare only this data, so the C language by default assign a value to it 0. So this is the value, like 0 will be stored here. So when I assign like any number to it, like 33, so a value 33 written here. So it work like that. So when we want to print this value, so we will print like the value at this address will be printed. So the background work like that. So when we declare and assign the value, so in the memory, like their memory addresses, so this val point to this memory address like 0x01, and at this address we store 33. So now I will show you the exact meaning of variable. So I print it using printf function. And how can we print an integer type variable? So we use modulus t to print an integer type variable. And name of our variable is val. So now I copy it by Control C and paste it 2 times. Now I change val value. Like we change it value to 43335. So what happened? This code is executed. So I will run it and show you and explain it. So first of all, you can see our variable. Variable means whose value can be changed during the program execution. So first of all, its value 33. So when execute this statement, we again write on this variable at this memory address 43. So you can see 43 is printed and then 335. So 335 will be printed on the console. So there are many types of variable, like we declare an integer. And then char. Char is stored to only a single variable. Single character. So I will show you, like gender or grade. The student grade. So how can we declare a char type like a only a single character? So how can we print this on the console? So we have to printf and then by using modulus C. For only single character. So I type gra grade and then backslash and to end line. So it will create backslash and create a new line for us. Now you can see it will print a. And I create, how can we store a string? So in C we use a char array, character array. Okay, so like name, and what will be its size, like name is around 50 characters. Okay, maximum. And by using double quotation we store our number in this name. Okay, so let's assume any name. Okay, so, okay, and how can we print this name? And here I write name and modulus s. Okay, it's for string, to use to display this string. Okay, so I run this program. Now you can see it will print my name on the console. Okay, so this is the way you can declare a variable, okay, and assign to value it and print it. You may change its value during the program execution. Okay, that's why it's variable.